In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a store on eBay, a perfect tutorial for beginners wanting to dive into the world of online selling. Creating an eBay store is a fantastic way to showcase your products while enjoying some added benefits that come with owning a subscription-based store on this vast marketplace. We'll walk through each step carefully so you can confidently set up your store and start reaching a wider audience. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Simply navigate to the eBay homepage and click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password, and once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your personalized eBay dashboard. If you don't have an eBay account yet, you'll need to create one, a straightforward process that involves providing some basic information and verifying your email address. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to access the Seller Hub. This is your one-stop shop for managing all aspects of your eBay selling experience. In the Seller Hub, look for the Subscriptions section. You'll find it under the main menu or as a tab, depending on the layout of your personalized hub, which may vary slightly based on your specific eBay setup or any recent updates to the site. Once you're in the Subscriptions section, you'll need to select Subscribe to an eBay store. This option allows you to start your subscription to an official eBay store, granting you access to a variety of selling tools and benefits. These include customizable store designs, increased listing limits, and often lower final value fees, which can significantly enhance your selling potential. Next, you will be prompted to choose a plan that best suits your selling needs. eBay typically offers different tiers of store subscriptions, such as Basic, Premium, or Anchor, which differ in price and benefits. Take a moment to review the features of each plan carefully. Consider what level of selling volume and features you might need. Starting with a basic plan is often a good strategy for new sellers, with the option to upgrade as your business grows. After deciding on the right plan for you, the final step is to confirm your subscription choice. Follow the prompts to agree to the terms and conditions, and provide payment details if necessary. Once confirmed, you'll have officially created your eBay store. Make sure to take some time to customize it, adding your own branding elements and product categories to attract potential buyers. And that's it. You've now set up your very own eBay store. By following these steps, you're well on your way to building an online presence and reaching customers all over the globe. As you gain more experience, you'll discover even more tools and strategies to optimize your store and expand your reach. Happy selling, and see you next time.